How to archive and unarchive chats on ChatGPT. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to archive and unarchive chats on ChatGPT. This feature is great for organizing your conversation and keeping your workspace tidy. So without further ado, let's get started. But first, let's talk about archiving chats. If you are like me, you might have tons of conversation piling up, but archiving can help you hide chats you don't need right now without deleting them. And here's how you can do it. Open the Chat GPT on your browser or app and simply log into your account. After logging your account, you will see a list of your previous chat on the left hand side of ChatGPT. Now, to archive a chat, hover over the conversation you want to hide, and you will see a three dot menu appear on that. You simply have to click on it. After that, you will get a drop down menu. From that menu, you simply have to select archive, and the chat will be moved to your archived conversation, keeping your active list clean and organized. That was easy, right? But what if you want to access a conversation you have archived? Don't worry, it's just as simple. Let me show you how to unarchive chats. Go to the profile icon on the top right corner. Once you are there, simply tap on Settings and you will be prompted to the setting interface. Now, simply tap on Manage Archive Chats under the General Settings. Once you are in the archive folder, find the chat that you want to restore, hover over it, and simply click on the unarchive icon on the right side. And the chat will move back to your main conversation list, ready for you to pick up where you left off. Archiving and unarchiving chats is super handy for staying organized, especially if you use ChatGPT for multiple projects and tasks. And the best part, nothing gets deleted. So you can always go back and revisit your conversation. And that's it. A quick and easy guide for archiving and unarchiving chats on ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.